Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how you can remove or delete any particular extension from your Claude. So if you wish to delete an extension, either if it is interfering with your operations or you no longer want it, I'm going to show you how you can do this in the most simple way. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click over to your profile or account icon at the bottom left corner right here. Now once you will do this, a set of menu will appear, and from this menu you will need to click onto the settings option. Now within the settings option you can see the extensions tab right here just below the desktop apps. So click on extensions and it will show you all of the installed extensions in your computer. So as you can see, I have this PDF your extension currently installed. Now to disable this, you can click onto these three dots, and from here you can simply click onto this uninstall button, and now you can see that the extension has been successfully deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.